Hi everyone, I'm Umut from Bilkent University, the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. In this video, I'm going to present my term project of EE-102, the Digital Circuit Design course. Here is my project. I call it the Miller game. Some of you may associate it to the game of mini golf. My game is pretty straightforward. As you see, I have a box here, and there is a propeller which aims to defend the box against the possible balls try to get in. And as I said, the aim is to put the ball inside of the box by overcoming the propeller. I coded the Miller game so that it can be played in different levels of hardship. The levels are adjusted by changing the spinning rate of the propeller, the defending propeller. As you can guess, this is a competitive game and it can be played by multiple players. There is a predetermined total number of shoots than a player can have. Eventually, the player with the maximum number of score within the fixed number of attempts will be the winner. If we move forward to the digital design line behind this game, as you see here, I've used the servo motor to represent the defending propeller. Other than that, I have a distance sensor inside of the box. The distance sensor will be used to keep the track of score made inside of the box. The idea is simple. The distance sensor identifies the distance of closest object to it, and I have carried the required manipulations. I've carried the required calculations to make the circuit to be aware that there happened a goal to the inside of the box, and if it identifies that a player becomes successful to put the ball inside of the box, it will increase the score by 1. But there is also another important aspect here. As we make a shoot towards the goal, we should press this button on the basis board to increase the number of attempts. We have to do this in order to keep the track of how many attempts are made while playing the game. If we don't do this, we can't properly determine the winner. The important aspect that I mentioned here is that if the number of made attempts reaches to 5, the circuit will end the game, and after that point, even if we take an extra shoot and make it to the inside of the box, the score won't be increased, and after that point, the necessary thing to be done is reset the game by using this pin here. This pin is coded to reset the game, and there is also another pins. This pin works as an enable for the propeller. When I open this, the propeller starts to spin. In order to change the spinning rates of the propeller, I will use these 4 pins. As I increase the magnitude of the 4-bit number, the spinning rate will be increased. Then let's see. As you see, it is faster than the before adjustments, and we can increase it forward. As you can see, the different spinning rates of the defending propeller are adjusted using these pins. Then let's play the game together with you. Alright, let's start the game with lowest possible spinning rate. First attempt is unsuccessful. Let's have the second. Second is either. I will increase the number of attempts. Let's give it a third. Third is unsuccessful either. This is first goal at the fourth attempt. I think this game is sufficiently difficult even for this level of hardship. Let's have the last try. This is also successful. And having made the last attempt towards the box, we have reached the total number of attempts of 5. Then, as I mentioned before, the score shouldn't be increased even if we can be successful in putting the ball inside of the box. Let's give it a try to see if it works properly. As you see here, although the ball is inside of the box, score isn't increased. It shows that my circuit works properly and the game just needs to be resetted. After we reset the game, as you see here, both the score and the attempts are set to 0. Then I'll just show you the different spinning rates of the circuit. I'm not gonna play in different spinning rates. This is faster, and this is even faster, and this is the fastest one. This is more or less the overall of my project. I hope you enjoyed the video. For those of you who are interested in the more aspect related to design of it, you can reach me by email. Thanks for watching.